Meet the box jellyfish, one of the most venomous creatures. Its tentacles can deliver a sting that causes excruciating pain. Next up is the inland taipan, known as the world's most venomous snake. Just one bite can kill a human in under an hour. Now meet the stonefish, the most venomous fish on Earth. Its venom can cause heart failure if stepped on. The blue-ringed octopus is tiny but packs a deadly punch. Its venom can cause paralysis and even death in minutes. The cone snail is a beautiful but deadly creature. Its harpoon-like tooth can inject venom that causes respiratory failure. Finally, the pufferfish, known for its unique defense mechanism. But beware, its organs contain a toxin that can be lethal.